Hey guys, welcome back to JCZ Crafts, Vlogs, and more. Today I am going to give you an update on what all of my gardens are doing and how the process is going. So enjoy. Giving an update on our Arrow Garden Harvest 2.0. Listen, this chicory is out of control. Lesson learned: when I thought about herbs and it came with my herbs, I didn't realize it was a flower. So I set the system up a little wrong because this thing is growing. Ooh, it is getting crazy. Okay, and I'm gonna have to change this pot, okay? And remind you, this is just the leaves. The flowers haven't even bloomed yet. So this definitely is going to have to go in a different system. You see our tomato back here is doing well. That we planted. Hold on. I gotta make sure. Sorry, that is cilantro, because I believe I moved a tomato. And I planted the kale on October 19th. Today is October 23rd. Okay. So that's 4 days. So that's our kale right here. Let's see, this is parsley, and I'm gonna take the dome off. I got the fan running, y'all, just to give it that outside effect, like the wind is blowing. So let me take a look here closer. Getting a little confused here, okay? Cilantro. This is the beets, and the beets isn't doing anything. I switched it here. Excuse me. It's not doing anything. And I just want to make sure what this is, because I think I moved the tomatoes. We growing, y'all, we growing. Oh. No, this is the tomatoes. 10-9, huh? I gotta double check that one, because I think that's the cilantro. Or not. Look, I'm all on the wrong page. You see I have a journal here. So, I'm all on the wrong page. Let me get on the right page. So, see, and when I switch, I write it down. I brought it back, which the parsley, I brought the parsley back. As you can see, I moved the black seeded lettuce to the lead pot, because I'm trying to put them all together. I'm not sure if it's wise or not, but I'm looking at the growth. And so I really wanted to make sure I have everything together. So yes, guys, that is the tomatoes back there, the golden cherry tomatoes. That's what that is. And it's probably not getting enough light because I have it up too high, or it probably would grow stronger. So I don't know. You guys let me know. But I'm gonna do some rearranging. And you won't see this chicory in the Arrow Garden much longer, because it's gonna grow way taller than this Arrow Garden Harvest 2.0. So that will be getting switched out as well. All right, so that's the update so far, October 23rd. The golden cherry tomatoes, which I had to restart and plant new seeds because it was taking too long when I first started, when I planted the first batch, September 22nd. So planted new seeds on October 9th. So we are on day 16, right? No, day 15. So this is day 15. So I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying this process, and I'm enjoying my new hobby. Thank y'all for being here. Sorry to confuse you. I was confused too. It's early in the morning that I'm vlogging and getting things together. So I'll catch y'all on the next update. Okay, y'all. Lastly, here's the lead pot. So as you can see, I've moved all of the black-seeded Simpson lettuce to one garden over here on one side. As you can see the leaves. So Jazzy and I, this was so bushy. We took some off of this one and taste, and it was really, really good. So looking forward to that. So this is where all of my lettuce went. Here, that I'm giving up on this purple bell pepper. I had faith that it was gonna come back. I don't know. It ain't doing too good now, so I guess I'm gonna pull that. Okay. Look at our bell pepper sprouting and doing its thing. And then back there, I believe this is our kale. The kale is going. The mint is y'all. So as you can see, the mint is going. The kale is going back there. Our bell pepper is going good. Back here, I'm gonna have to. The cilantro isn't doing too good, and it needs to go somewhere else. So I was thinking of putting it with the rest of the herbs down in the monthly garden, and I just might. But anyway, here's the update. So the lettuce was delicious, and hopefully we get some more. I'm gonna move that or chuck the cilantro, but this is an update. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the the beets. I'm gonna pull the beets, okay? So I don't think I'm gonna get anything, and probably move the beets that's down there up here. All right, I'll check in later. Thank you for watching. Appreciate you. Hit that like, subscribe to the channel, and share me out. All right, and leave me a comment later. Hey guys, so Jazz and I have been eating from the lettuce, and so right now I am going to harvest some of these because it is time. Okay, it is time. So we gonna make a salad, okay? We about to make a salad. I went and got some, because as you know, my tomatoes is not ready yet. So we about to make a salad, but the tomato is growing right there. So yeah, I'm gonna harvest some of these beautiful leaves. Oh God, it's beautiful and big and ready to be eaten. So here's how things are going as far as in the lead pot, and after I transferred the lettuce to this. So yeah, easy to go ahead and take that off, and happy gardening. All right, y'all. There's my harvest. All right, so look, y'all. My salad is ready. And my lettuce from my not arrow garden, from my hydroponics growing machine. A nice little simple salad. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. Give me a like, share, and comment.